It just means we're able to do things they can't do. They're able to do things we cannot do. In fact, lots of zoos in the world are part of a master plan called the Species Survival Plan. That plan dictates what we do, coordinates all the efforts, so we work together. No room for ego, no room for competition, room only for cooperation. And we know that's because we're doing something worthwhile, something we believe to be noble, saving these lives, saving these animals, and saving the plants too. Don't forget the plants. And so this is it is kind of noble, so we're happy you're here because you're helping us to do this. Look at the size of these antelope. These are roan antelope. Is this animal going to attack you? Look at the horns. See how the horns curve away from the point of impact? That's not attack, that's run away. See the black mask on the face? That's attack. See the brown color? I'm hiding in the dirt, in the trees. Yeah, in the tree trunks. That's hide. See the thickness of the neck? Ooh, I have the neck of a bodybuilder. That's attack. Yeah, do you see my big body? Yeah, I have the body of a weightlifter, bodybuilder. That's attack. Look at the legs. I have chicken legs. I will run away. Wait a minute, so it is run away, folks. So the mask on the face, the thick neck, the thick body, they were bluffing you. How many of you play poker? Raise your hand if you play poker. Nobody plays poker. I feel 3 educated people on the tram. I feel sorry for the rest of you folks. But this is the thing, you play poker, you bluff. Somebody can call your bluff. You can fold, you can challenge, maybe you lose your chips, maybe you lose your money. But if you bluff in the one, somebody calls your bluff, you could lose your life. So guess what? You better make sure you have a backup plan like running away. On your right, see the tan and white red-fronted gazelles? It's getting darker. Ooh, wow. Hey, wait a minute. Tan and white. Okay, I understand. It blends into the dirt. Look at the cinnamon-colored animals. Look at them. Those are bongos. Do they blend in? To the shadows, yeah. But they're red. They're kind of red in color. Well, how many of you have night vision like a cat's? We don't have it, folks. We do not have good night vision. We have good color vision. They have good night vision. They don't have good color vision. We got to fight in front on the dirt pile. On your right. On the dirt pile in front. 2 guys going head to head. They're on their knees, begging you please. No, I'm sorry. Look at that. Looks like they're kissing. They're trying a little dominance thing here in front of the bongos. Look at that. A little shoving here. Yeah. This is a dominance thing. Okay, I'm boss of you. No, I'm the boss of you. Oh, yeah? You in what army? Yeah? Your mama was a cow. Yeah? Your mama walked with 2 legs. Yeah. So they're trash talking, folks. Look at that, they're actually going at it. Well, and these guys get up to 300 pounds, okay, so they're pretty big. Yeah. So, you can see color, but most mammals cannot see color, but they can see well at night. That kind of makes sense. You don't have good night vision. What are you going to look at night? The insides of your eyelids. You're asleep. But most mammals are going to stay awake. They're watching out for the lions. Yeah. Did that guy leave?
Yeah.
Did he run away? Are they still fighting? No. Yeah. Uh-oh, he ran away. Okay, loser. Okay. Uh-oh, no, coming back, second round. Yeah. The thriller in Manila. Look at this. Ali versus Fraser. Oh, geez. I just dated myself, didn't I? How many of you remember Ali and Fraser? Raise your hand. Yeah. Most of you are going like, well, who the heck is that? Oscar de la Hoya. That's whom you remember. So, folks, competition. You compete for everything. You compete for food, water, shelter, survival. You compete for the right to mate. The males usually are the ones who do that because the males are the ones doing the courting. And, you know, it's like, when you compete for survival, it's different from competing for mating. When you compete for survival, you want to blend in. Everybody wants to look the same. You want to be just as big as the others. But when you're competing for the right to mate, you want to be bigger than the other guy. Yeah. So, for 2 different thrusts in an animal's life. Us, we compete for lots of different things. And our lives are a little bit more complicated. The stages in an animal's life are survival, reproduction. You reproduce, you can die, but your genes get passed on, your bloodline is extended. On your left, look at this. It looks like an animal with 6 legs, or 8 legs. At the feeding trough, do you see it? Looks pretty interesting because there are actually 2 animals standing right beside each other. Roan antelope, look at that. It's got 2 heads too, by the way. Orange animals down in the valley on your left, those are Ugandan cow. Orange blends in with green. Lousy color vision for us. Lousy night vision for us, good night vision for them. Oh, the grasses on your right are tall grasses from Africa, fountain grass. More Ugandan cow on your left, orange. During the daytime, 1/3 of the tour is looking at the animals. 1/3 of the tour is talking about the animals and how they survive and all that. 1/3 is how they relate to us. During the nighttime, 1/2 of the tour is looking for the animals. Because we got lousy night vision, so it's totally different. It's good to ride the tram during the day, so you can figure out what you're looking for at night. Yeah, look at where the light is. Look at the edge of the light too. You never know who's hanging around. On your left, look down. Left, down. Where are you? Where are you? Where the heck are they? In front of the building, I see one.
Oh, yeah.
Behind? No. Where the heck are they? Raise your hand. Let me see how many zebras you see. How many fingers? Two zebras? There should be so 6 of them.
You see them and I don't.
I don't see the other 4, darn it. Then they could be inside the building. And you know zebras have black and white stripes, but as it gets dark, that blends into gray. You can't see very well anymore. You notice the zebras are by themselves? Oh, there's a zebra, yeah. Right of the hut. Yeah.
See them.
And folks, zebras are by themselves because they bite and they kick. We do not want them biting and kicking anybody else. They can bite and kick each other to their heart's content. If you've ever been kicked or bitten by a horse, raise your hand. Not a pleasant experience, is it? Yeah, those guys can... It's not that they're mean. It's just that they're very nervous. They're very defensive. It's survival, folks. And you do whatever you can in order to survive. Are those rhinos or rocks? Those are rhinos. Look at this on your left. Down, down. To the right of the chopped down tree.
Yeah.
You see the 2 rhinos?
Oh, yeah. They look like
You can see their horns and their ears.
Yep.
And what are the rhinos doing? Sleeping.
Sleeping.
Why? Because they can. Because they get so darn big, very few animals are going to bother them. So folks, like the bigger you are, the less other animals harass you. But doesn't mean you have all the advantages. What if there's a fire? You're in trouble.
Oh.
Because you're big and you're
That's your
slow.
mother.
Springbok on your left. Tan and white. Hold on. I don't see anybody. Then again, this is 65 acres. If they want to all avoid this area, that's fine with us. And that's the whole point. It's like going to what on the Discovery Channel, but this is live and it's super widescreen. So all you're looking at here, these are natural behaviors, folks. And folks, we've been doing this since 1969. We've been open to the public since 1972. And we believe in what we're doing, and we thank you for coming here because you're supporting us. Save these animals, save these plants. And I think the message that the Wild Nile Park is trying to send is we have to be responsible for the things we do. We have great power. We're the top species on the face of the earth. And with great power comes great responsibility. Yeah, before, people just used to do stuff because they did not even imagine the consequences. Global warming, rising water levels, tidal waves, earthquakes, fires. But now we're realizing everything we do, everything we say has a huge effect on the world around us. Gemsbach on your left. Look at those nice horns.